Que rollo, pinche camarita squad. Welcome back to my channel, guys. If you guys are new here, my name is Jose Garcia. And if you guys are not new, pinches pelones sin pelonas. ¿Cómo andan todos? Espero que todos estén bien. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Turn on them post notifications so you can know every time we drop a vlog. Pinche camarita squad. Guys, we're headed out to Palm Springs. You guys already know I have dogs. I have Frenchies. I have bullies. Go follow my dog page right here, because this vlog is about dogs today. We're going to do a dog vlog today. We have a breeding going on with one of my boys that lives out there in India. We're gonna go to Palm Springs with the vet. You guys are gonna see all that good stuff. You guys are gonna see a live breeding. If you guys never seen a live breeding, continue watching this video. And if you guys already have, continue watching this video. Let's go, guys. We're gonna go to Palm Springs right now. So before we leave, we have to pump some gas. We got our boy Patron, a stud, blue and tan, carries cream, guys. For all the dog people out there, if you guys want to use them, you guys can come out here to Cali, use them. If you guys want me to ship out the semen, hit up my dog page, guys. Hit up my dog page. Go follow too. We got Big Patron right here. That's my boy Patron right there, guys. He's gonna go put in some work right now. Look at him, look at him. Boy. This is not the first time we're breeding him. We have bred him a couple of times already, plenty of times. He has a couple litters on the ground already. And let me tell you guys, this guy likes to have his play dates. Right after he has his play dates, he goes straight to sleep. He likes to snore, sleep. Ese perrito lo tengo bien consentido. Ese es el mero consentido, el Big Patron. He is a Zeus. I'm gonna show you guys Zeus right here. He's a Zeus son, and he's a Teddy grandson. Picture of Teddy right here. Those are his parents, and that's his grandpa. He carries a good bloodline. He's a great dog. He's a Frenchie, carries good colors. So yeah, we're gonna go out to Palm Springs right now.
En la escalera vamos con prisa. Ando en mi propio rollo, hay que reventar la liga.
All right, let's bring her over here. Hey, how's it going, buddy?
Porque se hace como un corsado este güey.
I feel good.
This is a semen right here. Check it out. Under a microscope. A little dot. Just takes a little dot. Damn, she's crazy.
Yeah, you know, you can put it in there.
It's called a TCI here. Look, check it out. What is that, lubricant?
Oh, pick her up.
Just like that. She's not gonna bite you. If you're scared of your own dog,
Let me see. What you...
Pinche mosca.
No te va a pasar nada.
she ain't going to bite you now. Wait,
Anda bien
put her on the
bélica.
floor.
Oh,
Put- Let her.
All the semen inside, huh?
All of it.
How many puppies?
You're going to get blessed right now. Look at that beautiful picture there. Hi. How are you, Oscar? You got it in.
All right, Camarita Squad, so we already did the breeding, guys. You guys seen that little camera, that little TV as well, a little screen. You do a breeding. The little camera is, it goes straight to uterus, you know, puts the semen inside the ovaries, all that good stuff. I'm not a scientist or a vet, so I can't explain too much, but my boy, Baby Mecco, my boy, working like what? Like desert boys. Desert camp bullies. Hey, where we at? Where we at?
Shoguns, a little light.
Shoguns?
Yeah.
What do they do right there? What kind of food is it?
Kabashis, good food.
Bomb? How many plates can you eat?
Me, I could eat like 4.
They banned him last time. They banned him last time.
Yeah?
He ate like 5 plates and
Hey, who remembers this guy right here?
Kile, camarita
El
squad.
que se comió todas las pinches
Ese día sí.
hot chip, and then we have the questions as well. Boy was really hungry, se pasó de lanza el güey.
Crazy day.
All right, we're about to go eat right now. ¿Para dónde vamos, viejo cocho?
Vamos a Tower Market.
We're gonna go buy some chicken because our reservation's like in 2 hours and we're already outside the restaurant. So we're gonna go grab, what kind of chicken, pa?
Some Tower Market.
What is that? Boy, it smells like, Alex, it smells like shit in here, pa. Neta, wey, what's up? Like armpits or something, my boy?
Yeah, right.
Palabra, fool, what's up with that?
Este vato.
Neta, wey, like butthole, huh?
Serio? Macho, you guys gonna try some bomb ass chicken.
What kind?
Tower Market chicken, gas station chicken.
Oh.
The best gas station, neta. Bomb food.
Camarita Squad, I thought we were going on a restaurant.
We're on Tower Market, best gas station food.
We're at a gas station. So we're gonna order
chicken,
some
how the
pollo.
chicken's so bomb.
Some pollo, some chicken.
Chimichangas,
Ooh.
anything. There's
Ooh. chicken strips, que hot dogs y que sabe que tanto. Damn, el viejo lleva 2 Sprites. Sheesh. Neta.
Para matar la hambre.
No, sí, el viejo, una hambre, hija de su pinche madre. La neta que una hambre, pa. Uf. Vamos a botonear ahorita, vamos a ver qué pedo. Este vato dice que es better than Vons, the chicken better than Walgreens. A ver, jálate, pa. Queremos ver. Échale, gordito.
¿Qué tenemos aquí? Bean and cheese burrito.
Vamos a try that.
Chimichanga. El pollito, mira, déjame ponerle a la luz. Mira.
Jálate, no, a ver, una mordida, güey.
Mira nomás.
And ahorita, in 20 minutes, we're gonna go eat right now. It's alright.
I mean, para mí se me hace todo bueno. Desde que sea comida.
Looney Tunes.
What's up? You fucking really eating, güey? ¿Neta?
Hey, we're starving, güey.
Come on, Caesar. Rick.
You guys already eating?
Hambre, güey. Shoguns.
I know, little morrillos do that shit, huh?
Real mask? I don't have a mask. They're supposed to give you a mask.
They don't give a fuck, man.
They don't care. Come on, we're loony, dog. Come on. Yeah, Este vato se chingó like 12 fucking tenders right now.
But you don't wear those with socks, güey?
Come on.
It's cold, güey.
Pues está frío, güey. You should just put condoms on your toes.
9 minutes after we've been here for 2 hours, they smoked. Eating salad. Mira este viejo, este vato bien acá, bien de caché. Es una madre para limpiarme la boca y el vato bien de caché, míralo. Hey, hot. It's his birthday. Hey, Caesar. Damn, viejo, we're on a dinner, viejo, we're on a date. Ni dejas el teléfono, pa. Come on now, viejo. We bumping the new album right here at Shoguns. Check it out. Hey, firme viejo. That's right, viejo. 100K en las que ley. Viejo, vamos con prisa. Whoa! Nice. Whoa! Well, eyelashes, man, my mustache. Oh! Hey, over there, boy Looney. Hey, viejo, tírale uno entero a este viejón. Ya, ahí te va, cocho. Uno entero, viejo, uno entero.
A ver cuántos caben,
A ver cuántos caben. Una docena. Hey. Hot.
Hey, food, dog. Let me have some food. That's all right.
¿Serio? Disrespect.
It's good, güey.
Isn't it your birthday, dog?
Hey, I'm making my taking birthday wish.
Oh, he doesn't want it no more.
Birthday cake later.
Le va para next vlog vamos a hacer, I'm gonna do the wings, the hot ghost pepper, B-dubs.
How many? 10 of them?
10 of them.
Oh,
10 for you guys. I'll do 10.
10.
For sure.
Fierro, you said it. ¿Qué rollo, pinche camarita squad? So ya estamos aquí en la casa. This video is about to end. It was a great turnout. We did a dog video on boy Patron, and we want to go eat with the dog fellas. Guys, make sure you go follow my dog page. It's right here. I'm gonna leave you guys the info right here. Go follow my dog page. I have a new dog page. My other dog page got disabled, guys, but it's all good. We're coming back stronger. También, guys, we got a big old announcement now that we're talking about dogs, now that we're doing dog vlogs. I got a really big announcement, so continue watching these videos, because on one of these vlogs, we got a big old announcement. Pinche Camarita Squad, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's reach 100K subscribers. Let's go. Nos vemos a la próxima. Bendiciones.